Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tableau Bridge for Tableau Cloud Data Refresh, detailed guide step by. To install Tableau Bridge for Tableau Cloud Data Refresh, begin by visiting the official Tableau website. Locate the download section for Tableau Bridge. Click on the download link to start the installation process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Select the destination folder where you want to install Tableau Bridge. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, a confirmation message will appear. Click Finish to exit the installer. Open Tableau Bridge from your Applications menu. You will be prompted to sign in to your Tableau Cloud account. Enter your Tableau Cloud credentials and click Sign In. After logging in, you may need to configure your data sources. Access the settings to add your data sources for refresh. Follow the prompts to select the appropriate files or databases. Set up the refresh schedule according to your requirements. Save your configuration settings to finalize the setup. Monitor the data refresh activities from the Tableau Bridge interface. Ensure that the data is refreshing as expected based on your schedule. You have successfully installed and configured Tableau Bridge for Tableau Cloud Data Refresh. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.